Hi everyone, it's been a while. Well, there hasn't really been many updates to be honest on Sky, and everybody's sort of getting on with it. But I thought I'd do a video today of the 21st of the 2nd, 2023. Playlists, featured playlist has come up now. So if I go back to the beginning, how you can tell, scroll to the bottom, system management, then obviously entertainment 1.1. If yours is showing 1.0, you won't have this as yet. But what I've sussed today is if you turn it off of the wall and back on, it rebooted my system and it went to 1.1. But I'm not saying it will do it for everybody's. So if you go back, so then into playlist as you normally would now. And if you notice now where I'm just toggling there, you got two new icons now. So I've trialed this once just to see, make sure it works all okay. So if you go create, you can choose whichever color you want. So you can go put whatever name you want. So I'll just put test. Then you come down to confirm. Then obviously your test one's there then. So obviously, like it says at the bottom, you haven't added anything to it as yet. So if I go back, so say obviously because I'm in Wales, so if I just go plus on there now, it brings up a new banner now at the bottom. So add to your main playlist, which is obviously the main TV one, or you can add it to your personal one, so just to test. So I'll add it, and it's added, and it's put a little small icon up the top as well if I just point to it to say obviously it's gone into the personal one. So if I go playlist now, there you go. So obviously BBC Wales Today's there. If I go back into playlist again, go to the regular one, it's not in there, look. So obviously it just dumps it straight into your personal one. So right, we've sussed that. So obviously you can just delete as per normal. So press the plus button and it's been removed just as per normal. So if you go back as well, back into playlists, you can also edit these and do whatever you want with them. And also if you don't want it, which is quite a good idea, you can actually delete it and it's gone. And you just got your standard one again. So you go to create, and you can create up to 5 personal ones there. So obviously if you've got kids, you can have all their stuff in one go, movies in one go, whatever you want to. But there's your standard one. And obviously if you wanted to add, I'll just go back. You just go to create, pick whatever colour you want. So we'll go to orange this time. Name, confirm, and that's it. I hope this helps everyone, but as I say, just remember, I'll just go back, settings, system management, you need to be on Entertainment OS 1.1 to get this. If not, try unplugging your TV and plugging it back in. If not, just wait for it to update, but it's obviously it's coming. Okay then, cheers.